Okay. How old are you now?
No.
Yung birthday ka na eh. You're?
4.
4.
What's your favorite thing to eat?
Purple.
Kain. Food. What's your favorite thing, food to eat?
Cake.
Cake! Who's your best friend? Sino best friend mo?
Kuya Miggy at Ate Mikaya at Noah at Yumi at Ate Amber.
Dami ah.
Dami. Best friend niya.
What do you like to learn about?
Videos.
Videos! What do you want to be when you grow up? Pag ikaw big na.
Ako ay may gagawa
Nang.
ng sunscreen.
Sunscreen! What's important to you?
Pupu.
Ayusin mo.
Ayusin mo.
What's important?
Kasi happy ako kasi bibilhin ang cake.
Wow! And what are you really good at? Saan ka is magaling?
Magaling ako sumaya.
Wow! And what makes you excited about growing up? Kapag ikaw big na. Ano?
Pag nibigyan akong gift.
Wow!
Sa daddy's online. Kaya nga wala akong online eh.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your favorite memory from last year? Anong ginawa mo last year na favorite mo?
No.
Nung isang taon,
Last
yung
year.
dati pa.
Yung gift.
Hindi, kung ano lang favorite mo dati.
Kasi nung pa yung favorite ko ay sumaya ako kasi nagsusurprise iko sa akin.
Oh, nang?
Nang pag nibigyan gift tapos magsaya ako.
Wow! If you could go anywhere, saan ka pupunta? Saan mo gusto pumunta?
SM kasi meron ang dahil doon. Ay, strawberry pala yun. Hindi
Okay.
pwede.
It's okay.
Okay.
And kapag ikaw may perang madami, ano bibilhin mo?
Cake. Barbie.
Barbie!
Tsaka,
At saka,
Tsaka shoes.
wow! Sinong favorite person mo?
Wana. Princess.
Person, tao ba? Sinong favorite na tao mo?
Sa nanay.
Tsaka,
Tsaka dade. At mami. At suggest. Suggest.
dress!
Yes.
Alam mo, si Jess, oh no, okay. Happy birthday, my baby
Kiss mo yung
girl.
daddy.
Love you.
Daddy ka.
Happy ka?
Yes, 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 yes,
We're
yes.
happy too because you're our baby girl.
What?
We're happy because you're our baby.
Yes.
And we love you.
Always.
Happy ka?
Patingin. Okay.